If you're an Italian company and you're trying to set up a new branch, say, in Estonia, chances are it will be pretty difficult. You'll have to deal with all kinds of different administrations that are foreign to you. Now, under the Services Directive, member states are required to establish points of single contact. And DG IMSO and DG Markt are working to make this easier for companies. DG IMSO, in fact, is working on a large-scale pilot called SPOCS. And Mechthild Rohen, head of Unit H2, is here to tell us a little more about SPOCS. Can you first, Mechthild, tell us what exactly SPOCS stands for?
SPOCS stands for Simple Procedures Online for Cross-Border Services.
And how exactly will it enable businesses to expand their services?
SPOCS is basically helping public administration to improve their electronic services for the services sector, while the Services Directive itself improves and simplifies administrative procedures, including the setting up of these points of single contact. The pilot will make sure that the different technical solutions will be compatible and will be interoperable. Finally, the vision behind all of this is that, for instance, a French restaurant owner in Nice who wants to open a branch in Milan or in Berlin can finally do this by just a simple and single click.
But this isn't the first large-scale pilot that your unit has been working on, then?
No, SPOCS is the third large-scale pilot we are working on. We have started last year 2 other ones, and these large-scale pilots are all highly political initiatives, and they all aim at achieving interoperability between nationally existing solutions for national problems. We launched in last year STORC, which works on cross-border electronic identity management, and we started also PEPOL, which works on public procurement or electronic procurement for the services sector. Now SPOCS is the third one and will benefit from the results achieved already from PEPOL and STORC.
And when exactly was SPOCS launched, and how long will it last?
SPOCS was launched 1st of June this year, has a duration of 3 years, so it will go until June 2012. There will be an investment of some 14 million euro, half of which will be covered by the SIP ICT PSP program, and half of it will be covered by the participants themselves.
And who exactly are these partners or participants?
The project consortium consists currently of 12 partners from the private and the public sector. Out of these are 7 national ministries from the member states, and then another range of technical partners, industrial partners, non-governmental partners, which are all needed for the implementation of the technical solutions and their interoperability. Ministries or industry members which are currently not or initially not involved can join by special working groups if they wish to do so.
And what exactly are the challenges you foresee for this large-scale pilot?
Member states will set up these famous points of single contact in a variety of ways, ranging from just one point of single contact in one member state to a large number of local points of single contact. In addition, the administrative procedures for setting up a business or a service in a member state is also different from member state to member state. So the pilot will now address these challenges and develop technical solutions which are interoperable and which will have common requirements and use also standards, so that finally cross-border services, electronic cross-border services will be enhanced.
Well, thank you very much for all these details.